national commissioners present, our REC of Edo present, representative of the CP, representative of the DSS, political parties present, CSOs present, our RECs that came from far that has helped to conduct the election, you are welcome. Media that is here, I welcome you. I'm joining my residential commissioner to welcome you all into this hall. While we are here, we are at the last point of all preparations that we have done over 1 year. We conducted election yesterday, which was the last activity scheduled for the preparations. We are here to collate what we have gathered from the local government areas. I believe that our uploading of results into the IRF was excellent, and I know that all of us here, we have already entered the IRF to see what is there. There is nothing to hide. We are transparent, but here we also just want to collate what they have already collated at the LGAs, and then the final result will be announced. But I want to tell us that as we continue, already we have about 14 or 15 results ready. As we continue, others will come in. I want to assure you that the writing has been done and that everybody should exercise patience and be civil, that at the end of this exercise, everybody will be happy and we will go home happy. Welcome you once again to this very collation exercise that we have come. Thank you very much.
I remain my humble self, Honorable Ambassador Morogbe Joseph, Edo State Chairman, Accord. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Dr. Greg Ibinoya. I'm the chairman of People's Redemption Party in Edo State.
Good morning. My name is Chief Ifitubo. I'm the state coalition agent of APP.
Tony Osaibu, PhD. I'm the state coalition agent for People's Democratic Party, PDP. My name is Barrister President Egor. I stand for Zenith Labour Party.
My name is Agatise Rafe. I'm officer for People's Party, NNPP.
Any other party present? Please, let's recognize the Commandant, Agu Benga, and NSCDC, Edo State. Sir, you are welcome. The next in our list is a remark by our Honorable Rep, Mr. Sam Onume. The national. Let me hand over the microphone to the National Commissioner.
Good afternoon, all. It is my pleasure to introduce the returning officer of yesterday's in person of Professor Farouk Musa Adamu, the Vice Chancellor of Federal University of Technology, Benin. So you are welcome, sir. I think my distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good morning, everybody. I want to believe that the protocol has been duly established. And on the strength of that, we want to start straight away. Again, let me correct one impression. The full name is, I am Professor Farouk Adamukuta, the Vice Chancellor of Federal University of Technology, Mina in Niger State. And for today, I am the returning officer for Edo State gubernatorial election that took place yesterday, the 21st September 2024. The rules of the are very simple, and I pray that all of us will understand the situations at hand. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the purpose of our being here is simple. We are to collect results that have been assembled at the local government. And so we put them together, and the final, we add these figures together, and then we announce the winner of the election. Therefore, please, we will expect much. And please, whenever you want to raise issues, have it at the back of your mind that we are dealing with reality. These are votes that have been casted, they have been articulated, they've been collated, and they are here from the various local governments for us to put them together and then announce the winner of the election. Please, 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 let's be civil, let's be mature, let's be decent, let's be very respectful in our approach. We are willing more than ever before to listen to each complaint, but in doing that, we will not waste much time because we have a responsibility to collect these results here. Thank you very much, and may God help us as we continue with this exercise. Thank you very much. Please, can we have the list of local government areas that are already with us and the votes have been reconciled? The list, please, so that we take them one by one. And please, for your information, local government coalition officers, you cannot appear before us here without your EO, that is the electoral officer of that local government. And that is why we have about 2 chairs there. By the time you come, please help us introduce yourself and your status. The local government coalition officer and then the EO. We need to know their names, please. And that is how we'll be going. After the introduction, you tell us the number of words, having given us the name of local government. Tell us the number of words in each local government or the local government you covered. And then you now begin to tell us the total number of registered voters, and in that order, up to, the point at all the political parties, the votes they are able to gather. And I think that is the way we will be going. It will be very systematic. So, implore each and every one of us to be patient, please. Thank you very much. So, we have the first local government, Egor local government. Igwe local government. The pronunciation. Igwe local government, please. Where is the EO and then the local government returning officer, please. Sorry, collation officer. Sorry. I'm sorry about that. Go ahead, please. Do you want your mic there? No extra mic? May you please tell us your name, and then the local government collation officer will also introduce himself, please. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Obia Northeast, electoral officer of the local government. My name is Amula Olitari, the electoral officer of the local government.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Professor Haruna Ibrahim from the Federal University of Technology, Benin. I serve as the local government collation officer for Egor local government area in the gubernatorial election that was held yesterday, 24th of September 2024. Egor has 10 wards. Elections were conducted successfully. Results were collected, and the following details I will present. Number of registered voters stood at 54549. 54549. 545. Please take it again. 54,549. 54549. Okay. Number of accredited voters 15,274. 15274. The passes are more as follows. 38 scored 1 vote. 1 vote. AA scored 0. 38 AC scored 4 votes. 4 votes. ABC scored 49 votes. 49. APP 18 votes. 18. APC scored 5907. 5907. After 10 votes. 10 votes. APN 0. Party APP 2 votes. BP 3 votes. 3 votes. LP 494. 494. NNPP scored 5 votes. 5 votes. NRM 13 votes. 1 3. PPP scored 8470 votes. 8470. PRP 10 votes. 10 votes. SDP 1 vote. YPP 2 votes. ZLP 0. Total valid votes stood at 14,989. 14989. 278 votes were rejected. 278. The total vote cast stood at 15,267. 15267. I shall present. Thank you. The election officer. Please, was there any polling unit or ward whose election was cancelled? There was no cancellation. Fine. All right. Party agents, please. Party agents. Party agents, please. Any observation, comments? Yeah, no, please don't go. Let us have the result. Copies. Thank you very much. Esan West. Esan West. Yeah, please, will you introduce yourself? After which you hand over the mic to the collection officer. Thank you.
Good afternoon all. My name is Obia Northeast. I'm the election officer of Esan West local government area.
Thank you, sir. I am Professor Ojo Michael Akindele from the Federal University of Technology in Niger State. I served as the coalition officer for Esan West local government. In this local government, we have 10 wards. 10 wards. And the results are as follows. The number of registered voters 113,057. 113,067. 067, sorry. Then the total number of accredited voters 25702. 25702. And the votes received by political parties are as follows. Party A, 0. Party A, 0. Party AA, 2. Party AA, 2. Party AAC, 11, 1. Then Party ABC, 87, 87. Party ADP, 39. Party ADP, 39. Party APC, 12,952. APC, 12952. Then ABGA, 23. ABGA, 23. Then APL, 12. 1-2. APP 0. APP 0. BP 4. BP 4. LP 342. 342. NNPP 8. NNPP 8. Then we have NRN 121 121. PDP 11004 11,004. PRP 72. Then SDP 2. SDP 2. YPP 9. YPP 9. ZLP 3. ZLP 3. Total valid votes 24,691. 24691. Rejected votes 693. 693. Then total votes cast 25,384. 25,384. Signed by me and the party agents.
Thank you very much. Thank you, the local government officer. Again, I ask, was there any polling unit or ward whose result was cancelled?
No, sir.
Fine, thank you very much. Party agents, please. Observe any comments? No comments. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Esan West. Onwa West. All right, so please introduce yourselves. You hand over the mic to the local government coalition officer. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all. My name is
Please, one house, be praised, please. One house. Can we have gentlemen of the press, please? Thank you, sir.
My name is EdoElection, Electoral Officer, Obia West Local Government Area.
Thank you. My name is Professor Abdulkarim Ambali Saka. I'm the Collation Officer for Obia West Local Government Area with 11 registration area. The result of the election conducted yesterday, being 21st of September 2024, are as follows. Number of registered voters, 67,076. 67076. 67076. Number of accredited voters, 24,311. 24311. Party A, 4 votes. Party A, 4 votes. Party AA, 1. Party AA, 1. Party AAC, 0. Party AAC, 0. Party ADC, 41 votes. Party ADC, 41 votes. Party ADP, 47 votes. Party ADP, 47. Party APC, 12,277. 12277. 12277. Afghan, 12. Afghan, 12. APM, 0. APN, 0. APP, 0. APP, 0. Party BP, 1. Party BP, 1. Party LP, 201. Party LP, 201. Party LP, 201. Party NNPP, 2. NNPP, 2. NRN, 21. NRN, 21. PDP, 11284. PDP, 11,284. 11284. Party PRP, 8. Party PRP, 8. Party SDP, 0. Party SDP, 0. Party YPP, 1. YPP, 1 vote. ZLP, 4 votes. ZLP, 4. Total valid votes, 23,904. Total valid votes, 23904. Rejected votes, 391. Rejected votes, 391. Total votes cast, 24,295. Total vote cast, 24295. Total vote cast, 24295.
Wait, please. Total vote cast. Take it one by one, please.
Total valid votes, 23904.
Yes.
23904.
Yeah.
Rejected votes, 391.
Yes.
Total vote cast, 24295.
24295.
295.
Thank you. The coalition officer, please. Was there any result that was cancelled?
No, sir.
All right. So, party agents, please. Party agents, thank you very much. Thank you. The result. Ohuade, please permit me, the pronunciation may be faulty. Please, Ohuade local government. Ohuade local government area, please. All right, please introduce yourself, after which you hand over the mic to the local government collection officer, please. Please, can we have one house, please? Gentlemen of the press, please, can we have one house? Madam? I think we are here to listen to the votes that have been read out. Please, let's be quiet. Please go ahead, please.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Samuel Udo, electoral officer for Onwode local government.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Professor Jimo Oladegotijani from Federal University of Technology, Benin, Niger State. I serve as the collation officer for Onwode local government area of Edo State yesterday. And here are the breakdown of the total number of registered voters.
Tell us the number of words.
We have 10 words. We have 10 words in Umode. All right. Total number of registered voters 92169. 92169. Total number of accredited voters 20044. Total number of accredited voters 20044. Here are the breakdowns of the votes done by each party. Party A 04. Party A 04. Party AA is 04. Party AA is 04. Party AAC 11. Party AAC 11. Party ADC 125. Party ADC 125. Party ADP 32. Party ADP 32. Party APC 8776. Party APC 8776. Party ABGA 30. ABGA 30. Party APM 06. Party APM 06. Party APP is 04. Party APP is 04. Party BP is 01. Party BP is 01. LP 769. LP 769. NNPP 62. NNPP 62. NRM 24. NRM 24. PDP 9339. PDP 9339. PRP 13. PRP 13. SDP 00. SDP 00, YPP 10, YPP 10, ZLP 13, ZLP 13. Total valid votes 19223. Total valid votes 19223. Rejected votes 553. Rejected votes 553. Total vote cast 19776. Total vote cast 19776. This result was signed by me and all the party agents present. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Was there any polling unit or ward whose result was cancelled?
None, sir.
Comments from the political parties, please. Yes, please. Mike, give him the mic. Somebody to help.
Good morning, everybody. I'd just like to state, I know you're here for collation. As you mentioned earlier, I just want to put you on notice that as someone who has read manufacturing engineering, to manufacture is to make things on a large scale. The votes for APC were awarded have been inflated. Same thing with together. I just want to put you on notice. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you very much. Please, do you have something different?
Well, I am representing APC.
All right, sir.
The votes, as announced, are the proper vote casted and are the correct votes. So I don't know.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Any other comment? So, please, Collation Officer LGA, please. Thank you. Obia Northeast. Obia Northeast. Obia Northeast. So you all introduce yourself, after which you hand over the mic to the local government collation officer. Please, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anefiok Mark Chira, the electoral officer of Obia Northeast.
My name is Professor Joe Madu, a professor of agricultural economics from Federal University of Technology, Benin. I serve as the collation officer for Obia Northeast local government with 13 areas, 13 wards, for which I now present the results. Thank you. Please go ahead. Number of registered voters 177,106. 177,106. Number of accredited voters 32,106. 441. 32441. Then number received by the various political parties. Party A, 17. Party A, 17. Party AA, 08. Party AA, 08. Okay. Party AA, 08. Party AAC, 24. Party AAC, 24. Party ADC, 187. Party ADC, 187. Party ADP, 90. Party ADP, 90. Party APC, 13225. Party APC, 13225. Party ABGA, 48. Party ABGA, 48. Party APM, 13. Party APM, 13. Party APP, 09. Please keep it on one. Okay. A what? APM, 13. APM, 13. Can I go ahead? Yes, please. Okay, thank you, sir. APP, 09. APP, 09. VP, 12. VP, 12. LP, 1675. LP, 1675. NNPP, 37. NNPP, 37. NRM, 40. NRM, 40. PDP, 15311. 15311. PRP, 34. 34. SDP, 04. YPP, 23. YPP, 23. ZLP, 26. ZLP, 26. Total valid vote, 30783. 30783. Rejected votes, 1312. Rejected votes, 1312. Total votes cast, 32097. 32095, not 7.
095. Sorry for that. That's 095. 32095, not 97. Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you.
LGA, was there a fair result?